Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jennifer from the Anderson County Library, here to tell you what's inside your Week 5 activity kit on this, the final week of Summer Reading 2020. This week's activities center on the themes of poetry and magic in children's literature, and we're going to make a wizard's hat with the supplies included in your kit. All you need to have on hand is a bit of tape, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and some markers or crayons if you want to color the shapes that are going to go on your hat. Everything else is included, so let's get started. The first thing you need to find is the sheet of shapes that's included in your kit. Color them any color you want and cut them out and have them ready to glue on your hat. Next, you're going to find a sheet of oversized construction paper, and it's already been folded for you, and that's what you want. When you get ready to fold your hat down, just take the top two corners, fold them down like this, and tape it there. But don't do that yet. Now it's time to glue the shapes on your hat. Just take your paper, put it face down on the table like this, and start gluing the shapes as close to the fold as possible, but not on the fold. So I have a yellow moon, and I'm going to glue it down right there. Then I have a red lightning bolt, and I'll glue it down right there. Next is my green star. And I glued it down like that. So now we're ready to fold the hat. Take the two corners, put them together like that, and tape it. And there's your wizard's hat. Okay. There is a list of books we've suggested this week that go with the current theme. All the books on this list are available for you to put on hold from the library, but you don't have to read books from the library to participate in summer reading. They also don't have to be on an AR list. Just remember to turn in your reading logs to us by Saturday, August 8th to receive the prizes you'll get for reading during the summer. One of the books suggested on this list is The Magician's Nephew, which is the first book in the Chronicles of Narnia series by C.S. Lewis. Now, are you an active on-the-go kid? Because listen to this. You can actually listen to the audiobook format by borrowing it from our Libby app. The narrator is British, and he is absolutely fantastic. And you can listen to an audiobook while you're doing other things. You can listen to the book while you're coloring, or in the car, or doing just about anything else. Oh, and did I mention the narrator is fantastic? For younger kids, do you like the Shimmer and Shine television show? Why not borrow Magical Mermaids by Brian Swenlin from the library today? You're going to have a chance to write a limerick and a nursery rhyme with the template that's included in your kit. Limericks and nursery rhymes are short poems. Why not have the whole family write some poetry and read it out loud today? Finally, we've been promoting the Tumble Books app all summer. It looks like this. Now, Tumble Books is the app that actually reads books to your child. All you need to do is download the Tumble Books app from your favorite app store, plug in the information it asks for, including your library card number, and you will have access to countless books for children, including fiction, nonfiction, graphic novels, and so much more. Whether you have a reluctant reader or a kid who loves books, Tumble Books is the app that will surely further their love of reading. Happy reading, everyone!